Hi folks, welcome back. I believe you are enjoying your journey to Oracle Database Security on-prem and Oracle Cloud. And we are learning DataSafe. So in the previous videos, we understood how a security assessment works, how user assessment works. In this video, we shall take a look into data discovery. Now, as the name suggests, data discovery, what exactly are you trying to do? So in data discovery, you're trying to discover your sensitive data. Again, I'm repeating myself when I say sensitive. Sensitive data is any information which is related to personal information, like your credit card number, your social security number, your date of birth. These are sensitive data. So what we will do is we will try and discover and see which tables are the ones where we are holding this sensitive data. So all you need to do is select on your target, say continue. It says you need to either select a sensitive data model or you can create your own. So when we are doing it for the first time, I would say just say create, and you can say show and save sample data, and you can also select your compartment. So let's say I've selected the demo compartment. I say next. Now it will look for the different schemas inside your database. So as you know, we are working on PDB2 of VMDB01 system. So here you have all the different systems or all the system schemas that are there. So I actually know that there is some sensitive data residing in the HR schema, and that's why actually I built this environment for your demo purpose, so that you can know that okay, these are my sensitive tables or columns that I need to be aware of. But what I normally do is I normally select all, because this is something I'm aware of as a DBA, but there could be other schemas which I'm not aware of, and they're still holding sensitive information, right? I say continue. No, now it actually talks about the different sensitive types of for the sensitive data discovery. So it could be, say, IT information, biometric information. It could be financial information like credit cards, payment card data, bank account data. It could be healthcare related. So again, what I normally do is I always select all. Unless you are actually absolutely sure what you are looking at, I normally give a select all. And then it actually starts validating or starts running the report. So as you can see, it clearly shows you that this is a job number that it is actually running in the background, and there are ways to actually access this job number. So it's normally pretty quick. So if you see, data discovery started for schema data safe admin 1. Now it's doing HR. I believe this was actually the last one. So it's actually gone through the entire list. So it started from DataSafe admin, DataSafe admin 1, DataSafe admin 2. Now it's doing the DataSafe admin. It has already done HR. So it's pretty good. And see, it's already done. And if I actually hit continue, I can actually see the result. So it actually told me that, yeah, especially you have information related to identification information, which is like personal data, something like public identifiers or personal information, first name, last name, say phone numbers. You also have biographic information, which is like address, right, which is really personal information, postal code, country code. Employment information like employment basic data. It could be something related to salaries even. So if you see here, it's employee ID, job title, right? Sometimes you have compensation. Compensation, you can find income. You see, salary is there. So I already know that HR schema that we've created has all this data. But for our demo, I really wanted something. So I actually click on report, and it'll actually load the chart, and it actually shows this is the sensitive type of information, right? Whether it's biographic information, whether it's identification related, whether it's job info related. So it actually clearly tells you that, hey, you have got, say, 8733 sensitive values. The sensitive types, like these are my sensitive types, and these are my sensitive tables. And if I do an expand all, so when you do expand all, you can actually see all your tables. So you can see, oh, in HR employees, there is this first name, last name. HR employees is like the main table. Then HR locations, you are holding all the addresses. In HR locations, again, in countries, you have the country code. So all this stuff. So yeah, so all we wanted to see was that we can actually run a data discovery on all our schemas and then you can even actually generate a report. So it's again for regulatory purposes, you can run this report and keep it handy. And the other thing is, let's go back and revisit our dashboard. And yes, we have populated our data discovery dashboard as well, and it clearly shows what's the health in terms of data discovery or sensitive data for our database. So thanks for watching, guys.